All right, so special thanks to this company for sending me this gel blaster toy. It actually has like Christmas around it. It's pretty unique. Let's open it up, take a look at it. Inside of here, tons of gel blasters. You just add these into water and boom, you have pellets to use for your toy. Then we've got, looks like some blasters, a USB cable to charge the battery to make it like fully automatic. And then that's like the tip. Looks like that's some other part that clips on. This is your way you fill it. So once you get those in water, you put them in here and then this screws onto the toy. Little scope. Nice, nice. A pair of protective glasses. That's always good for the young ones. And then lastly, oh, really nice barrel. Very cool. And then this is what the actual toy looks like. So you'd end up flipping this one way or the other, and then it'd be fully automatic. The battery slides and connects right into here on the back. And once you put the battery in, you just slide that back and you don't even know it's there. And yeah, that's, you got like you got everything needed. Very nice. I love the look of it. And honestly, it has dinosaurs. See, like a T-Rex. I love dinosaurs. That makes it even better. And then lastly, little instruction guide, warning tips. There's what it'll look like all fully assembled. More Q&A with installation tips there. And that's it for the box. So that'll do it for this little toy blaster. Very, very cool item and much safer than BBs and stuff like that because you can't get hurt with these. Thanks again to this company for sending it to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.